Hello, would be librarians. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. A massive recruitment notification has just been released for librarian posts in KVS and NVS. If you have a degree in library science, this is your golden opportunity. In this video, we will break down the entire notification for you from the number of vacancies and important dates to the exam pattern, syllabus, and the exact step-by-step process to apply. So make sure you watch this video till the very end and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such updates. Let's get started. Let's look at the number of posts. For KVS, there are 147 posts for librarian, and for NVS, there are 134 posts for TGT library. Both these posts are at pay level 7 as per the 7th Pay Commission. Number of posts in each category is given here for your reference. The qualification required for librarian in KVS and TGT library in NVS is Bachelor's degree in library science from a recognized institution or university with at least 50% marks, knowledge of computer application, and working knowledge of Hindi and English. And desirable qualification for TGT library in NVS is experience of working in a residential school. Pay scale for the librarian and TGT library is level 7 and upper age limit is 35 years. Age relaxation for some of the categories are given here. Minimum age is 18 years and for SC/ST age relaxation is 5 years. For other backward classes concession is of 3 years and for women of all categories only if applying for PGTs, TGTs, posts and librarians and PRTs age relaxation is 10 years. Now the most critical part, the dates. Mark your calendars right now. Registration starts from 14th of November 2025 from 10 am and registration closes on 4th of December 2025 till 11:50 pm. The window for fee deposit is the same from 14th of November to 4th of December 2025. So you have exactly about 20 days to complete your application. The link to the official website will be given in the description box below. Here comes the mode of selection. There will be 2-tier examination followed by interview for the TGT librarian in KVS and for TGT library in NVS. Tier 1 is a preliminary qualifying exam. It is just a screening test. Tier 2 is the main exam and your performance here is crucial. The final merit is calculated by giving 85% weightage to your Tier 2 score and 15% weightage to your interview, which is for 100 marks. So Tier 2 is your key to success. Let's understand Tier 1 in detail. This is an OMR based objective test with 100 questions for a total of 300 marks. The duration is 2 hours. It has 6 parts. Part 1 is of general reasoning. It includes 20 questions. Part 2 is of numerical ability. It includes 20 questions. Part 3 is of basic computer literacy. It includes 20 questions and part 4 is of general knowledge. It also includes 20 questions. Now part 5th is of language competency test, English. It includes 10 questions and part 6th is of language competency test, one modern Indian language selected by you. It also includes 10 questions. Each question carries 3 marks and there is a negative marking. For every wrong answer, 1 mark will be deducted. Also, if you darken more than one option, it will be treated as a wrong answer. So attempt wisely. Tier 1 is used to shortlist candidates for Tier 2 in the ratio of 1:10. Tier 2 for all the posts will be subject knowledge examination. It includes both objective and descriptive questions. 60 objective and 10 descriptive questions are included in the KVS and NVS librarian exam. Test will be of 2.5 hours. Each objective question is of 1 mark and each descriptive question is of 4 marks. So total number of questions are 70 and total marks are 100. In objective type question in tier 2, there will be negative marking for wrong answers. 1/4 mark, that is 0.25 mark, will be deducted for each wrong answer. An unanswered question will not be given any mark. There is only one correct response for each question. And in this paper also, darkening more than one response in any question will be treated as wrong response. So be careful. And there is no provision of re-evaluation for objective, written or descriptive examination part of tier 2. No request in this regard will be entertained. For interview, candidates will be shortlisted from tier 2 in the ratio of 1:3. Now comes the process of allocation of candidates to KVS and NVS. After preparation of merit list, the candidates will have to mandatorily submit their preference of posts in KVS and NVS in the online portal, link of which will be available for a certain notified period in the online login of application form of candidates who will be present in tier 2 and interview skill test. The allotment of examination city to the candidates will be done on random basis. The examination body reserves the right to allot a center anywhere in India. The information related to examination city allotted to the candidates for tier 1 shall be displayed 15 days before examination on the website of CBSE, KVS and NVS. And the admit card with center details and schedule of examination shall be displayed 2 days before examination on the website of CBSE, KVS and NVS. So it is your responsibility to regularly check the official CBSE, KVS and NVS websites for updates. Similarly, the information related to examination city allotted to the candidates shortlisted for tier 2 interview or skill test shall be displayed 15 days before examination, and the admit card with center details and schedule of examination will be displayed 2 days before examination on the website of CBSE, KVS and NVS. The e-admit cards for tier 1, 2 and interview and skill test will be made available only in the candidate's application login. Similarly, the status of shortlisting for tier 2 and interview skill test will also be made available only in the candidate's application login. No hard copy or email, SMS will be sent to candidates in this regard. The candidates are advised to regularly visit the website of CBSE, KVS and NVS for all updates regarding recruitment process. Now the candidate should apply only through the official websites of CBSE, KVS and NVS. The links are given in the description box below. Please check them out. The application form submitted on any other website will not be accepted. Only Indian nationals are eligible to apply. Let's talk about the application cost. For the librarian post, the examination fee is Rs 1500 and the processing fee is Rs 500. The candidates from SC, ST, PWBD and ex-servicemen categories are exempt from the examination fee, but they still have to pay the Rs 500 processing fee. GST will be charged extra by the bank as applicable, and before applying online, please ensure to have following documents: scanned image of latest photograph in JPG and JPEG format only for uploading, and scanned image of signature in JPG and JPEG format only for uploading. So you must apply only through the official websites of CBSE, KVS and NVS. Do not use any other portal. Keep your scanned photograph and signature ready in JPG or JPEG format before starting the application. All updates, admit cards, shortlisting status will only be available in your candidate login. No hard copies or SMS or email alerts will be sent. The e-admit card for tier 1 will be available just 2 days before the exam. The exam city can be allotted anywhere in India, and once allotted it cannot be changed. So it is your responsibility to regularly check the official websites of CBSE, KVS and NVS for updates. So this is all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on this recruitment or any other job notification. Thank you so much for watching and I wish you all the very best for your preparation. Good luck. Bye bye.